Hello, my name is Andreas Frochte from Leine Linde, and today we will talk about our reliable gap control solution. It can help to secure and increase uptime in your application. It is especially interesting for all those in the steel and rolling mill industry, but also for everyone else who needs to perform a linear measurement under harsh environments. The RLI is a linear measuring system that was developed especially with focus on hydraulic gap control in rolling mill applications. It consists of the basic scale itself that you can see here, the ERG gateway that belongs to the system, and all needed system cables to take all the electrical connections in the system. The RLI sensor has a robust housing made out of stainless steel. In addition, it has a really intelligent sealing concept. The bulk sealing that you can see here is only one part of a bigger intelligent sealing concept. Inside it has a really robust mechanism to withstand also harsh vibration and shock impacts. It also has a state-of-the-art scanning system that offers a really high resolution and accurate output signal. The system cables of the RLI system offer M12 connectors and wire colors that guarantee an easy, reliable, consistent connection of the complete system. The ERG gateway reads in the signal of two different scales and processes them further. Then it gives out one incremental output signal for each of the scales. These output signals can have either RS422 output level or HDL output level. This is especially interesting for retrofit applications, as the customer can have a new state-of-the-art measuring system and still keep their old control system. The RLI system also offers a diagnostic function. The signal levels are evaluated and the warning message will be issued if certain levels are exceeded or not reached. The information about the warning will be visible about LEDs in the gateway. In addition, we have a digital output that gives out this information. And as third option, the gateway also offers a Profibus connection that also gives out the warning information. To acknowledge the warning, we have a digital input that can be used for acknowledgement, or you can do that also via the Profibus interface. Via the Profibus interface, there are also additional informations available, such as signal levels, speed, acceleration, and the absolute position of the sensor. The ERG gateway is connected via M12 connectors with different contact arrangement. That prevents from wrong connection of the gateway. The RLI system offers several advantages to the customer, such as the fact that the customer can buy a complete system with responsibility for the entire system from one supplier, starting from the scanning head, over the housing of the scale, the system cables, and also the signal processing inside the gateway. The system is essentially a plug-and-play system. Once all the components are installed and the scanning head has seen first time the reference mark, we have an absolute position. There is no calibration process or anything similar necessary. This saves an enormous amount of time during commissioning or after maintaining process. The diagnostic function of the RLI system is particularly interesting for maintenance staff. It helps extremely to get status information of the system and prepare for necessary actions. In addition to the ease of installation and user-friendliness, which helps to save time and money, the system also offers output signal with a very high resolution and accuracy in the micrometer range. This is particularly important for your production process and thus also for the quality of your product. If you have any question about the RLI system or require documentation, please contact the regional Leine Linde office. The contact information about this is available on our webpage. We would be pleased to meet you in person soon, and thank you for your time and attention.